Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make slow motion and fast motion videos using the Nikon Coolpix B500. Say hi, say hi, say hi.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please consider subscribing. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make slow motion and fast motion videos using the Nikon Coolpix B500. The Nikon Coolpix B500 can shoot in slow motion at 1/4 of the normal shooting speed and fast motion at twice of the normal playback speed. The maximum duration of a slow motion video is 10 seconds, that is stretched to 40 seconds. And the maximum duration of a fast motion video is 2 minutes, that is reduced to 1 minute. And in the slow motion, fast motion modes, sound cannot be recorded, and the zoom position, exposure, focus, and white balance modes are fixed. Now let's come to the settings. How do you set your camera in these fast motion, slow motion modes? We go to the movie menu, movie options. For slow motion, you must select HS480-4x, and for fast motion, HX 1080.5x. Video resolution for slow motion videos is 640 by 480, and fast motion is 1920 by 1080. First, I'm going to select slow motion. As you can see on the screen, the maximum duration is 10 seconds, but after 10 seconds, the camera will not stop recording. It will continue recording in the normal mode. So after 10 seconds of slow motion footage, if you want to record in slow motion again, you can stop recording and re-record, or else you can press OK. Once you press OK, the camera will switch back to the slow motion mode. So you can use OK to switch between the normal and slow motion modes. So suppose if you want only 5 seconds of slow motion footage that you want to stretch to 20 seconds. So after 5 seconds, you hit OK, the camera will switch to the normal mode again. Now I'm going to view my footage in the preview button. Press OK to play, and here it is. 40 seconds of slow motion footage and then normal mode again. Similarly, I'm going to use the fast motion mode, the HS 1080.5x mode. The maximum duration here is 2 minutes, that will be reduced to 1 minute. And I can again press OK to switch between the normal and fast motion modes, and after 2 minutes the camera will again switch to the normal mode. So after my footage is recorded, I can go to the preview button, view my footage. So 1 minute of fast action and then normal playback speed. So guys, this is how you can make slow motion and fast motion videos in your Nikon Coolpix B500. And big thank you to Shivam Chaudhary for suggesting this video to me in the comments. And guys, do leave your video suggestions in the comments. It is really helpful to me, and then it will be helpful to you also, as I will give you those tutorials. And if you like this video, give me a huge thumbs up, and do tag me in your slow motion videos and even photos on Instagram at Agarwal Sonika. I will be very happy to have a look at your work, guys. And share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous B500 tutorial. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.